A direction change. Oh, that's adorable. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I'm losing my mind, guys. But that is a dang cute picture, huh? This penguin changing directions. Oh, yeah. Wow, what a picture. Alright, so we're talking about just in the x direction. When the rate of change of x is positive, we're moving to the right. When it's negative, we're moving to the left. And we change directions when x prime changes signs. So that could be positive to negative or negative to positive. Because then you'd be moving right and then changing to left, or moving left and then changing to the right. We got our direction change. Alright, so how do we find this? Might be worth noting that the function for x prime of t is a cosine function, and therefore we know that it's continuous. So if it's continuous, then when we move from positive to negative, it must cross 0. So we want to find when x prime is equal to 0. Let's set this equal to 0, and we'll be on our way. Alright, we'll multiply both sides by 2 over pi to get rid of that constant. We're left here. And then either t is equal to 0 or this cosine is equal to 0. Alright, so either t is equal to 0 or this cosine value is 0. So either t or 0. The cosine ratio is 0 when the angle measure is pi over 2 plus or minus pi once or twice or 3 times. So pi over 2 plus or minus n pi, where n is any integer. Okay. Well, the zoologist is tracking this penguin only for positive values of t, so we can eliminate the negative solutions here. Also, we only want to know the first time the penguin changes directions. Well, these are those angles that we're taking the cosine of, and the first time would be here. So, now we can solve this equation for t. Because they want to know the time at which this happens. So we'll multiply both sides times 4. Divide both sides by pi. Take the square root of both sides, and we only want the positive root. So, and be careful, read the problem carefully, this was measured in hours. At radical 2 hours, or about 1.414 hours, the penguin will change directions horizontally for the first time.